And here is the first monsoon rain in a matter of few hours. This is how the roads outside look like. The police station is round, Sadar police station. That's Subhash Chowk. This service lane and this rail vihar inside completely drowned. My society. There is complete mayhem on the road. As you can see there, everybody is stranded. And this tells you that Gurgaon Municipal Administration has literally had no plans, save the kind of chaos people are having. Can you beat this? And this is Monday morning. Nobody knows where is one going. It's complete chaos. Complete chaos, absolutely. Those who are daring to come in the water, completely risking their vehicles, God knows.